You're falling behind. Not because you're lazy, but because the world is evolving faster than ever before. And those who don't adapt get left behind. But what if I told you that right now, there are powerful AI tools, absolutely free, that can automate your work, boost your creativity, and give you a real edge in 2025? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 free AI tools you should be using in 2025. Whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, or just curious about tech, these tools are game changers. Number 5. Replit and its agents. You've got an app idea that could change everything, but you can't write a single line of code. That used to be a dead end. Not anymore. Welcome to Replit and its AI agents. Replit makes development incredibly accessible. Once you log in, you're greeted with a clear dashboard, ready for you to create. Notice the Create App button on the left? That's where the magic begins. Let's give it a simple, yet powerful prompt: make a weather app with buttons and dark mode. This demonstrates how intuitively Replit's AI understands your request. With a single click on Start Chat, Replit's AI agent springs into action. You can see it working, planning out the entire application structure based on your description. The AI is now intelligently designing the application, planning out the functionalities like interactive buttons, location search, and even error handling for invalid API keys. Once approved, Replit builds the application. Here it is, Weather Pro. You can immediately see the search bar where you can input a city and the current location button. Let's try searching for California. A common scenario. We're getting an invalid API key message, which means we'd need to set up the API key. Number 4. Runway. You're a marketer or creator with a vision for a stunning video, but editing software is overwhelming and budgets are tight. Not anymore. Enter Runway. Logging into Runway is super straightforward, with quick options like Google Sign-In. Once you're in, you'll see a vast array of creative tools at your fingertips. Let's try creating a video. I'll type, a hummingbird drinking nectar from a glowing flower, slow motion. And with a quick click, the AI starts processing our request. Runway's AI first confirms its understanding of the prompt, then begins the generation process. It starts by creating an initial image based on your description, laying the groundwork for the video. The detail and vibrancy are impressive, all from a simple text prompt. Now, for the exciting part, turning this static image into a dynamic video. I'll tell Runway to animate the image with realistic view by selecting option 2. The system now takes our image and starts animating it, transforming it into a slow-motion video. And here it is, a stunning slow-motion video of the hummingbird. You can clearly see the intricate details of its wings and the nectar-drinking motion. Absolutely incredible. Let's try another one. This time, I want to generate a robot landing on the moon in the gloomy and shining darkness. A completely different scene, demonstrating its versatility. Hit enter, and the AI starts envisioning this lunar landscape. In moments, Runway generates an image of a robot on the moon, bathed in that gloomy, shining darkness we asked for. The atmosphere is perfectly captured. And just like before, we can take this static image and bring it to life. I'll prompt it to yes, animate the robot. And there you have it. Our robot, now animated, taking its first steps on the moon. Runway's ability to create such detailed and dynamic scenes from simple text prompts is truly remarkable and shows why it's a must-have AI tool for creative professionals and enthusiasts alike in 2025. Number 3. Leonardo.AI. You're a YouTuber trying to make your videos pop, but your thumbnails look generic, and professional designers are out of your budget. That used to kill your click-through rates. Not anymore. Say hello to Leonardo.AI. Getting started is super easy. Just log in with your Google account. You'll then be taken to the intuitive interface where your creative journey begins. A quick welcome message, which we'll dismiss, and then you're directly into the creation space. Before we type, let's adjust some settings. I'm going to set the aspect ratio to 18:9 custom for a wide, cinematic feel. And let's generate just one image for now to keep things quick. Now for the prompt. Let's imagine something grand. Create a city Starlink which is at sunset, 8K, high resolution. We're asking for a complex scene with specific artistic and technical qualities. Hit generate, and Leonardo.AI immediately starts processing our detailed request. You can see the credits reducing as it works its magic. Watch as the images begin to form. Leonardo.AI is incredibly fast, presenting multiple interpretations of your prompt in a grid format. A helpful pop-up appears, showing off some key features, which will close to get a better view of our generated images. And there they are. For distinct, high-resolution images of a city with a Starlink satellite at sunset. Each one offers a unique perspective and artistic style, all based on our text description. Number 2. Poe. You're a student with a killer idea for a presentation, but you're stuck researching endless websites, and the clock's ticking. That used to mean late nights and stress. Not anymore. Enter Poe. Just like the others, logging in is quick and easy with options like Google. Once inside, let's select Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview, one of the advanced models available. This opens up a new chat session with that specific AI. You can see information about the model and suggested prompts to get you started. It's a great way to explore what each AI excels at. I'm going to give it a challenging yet fun prompt. Explain quantum computing to me like I am 10. Sometimes, you might hit a message limit, but Poe gives you options to continue. We'll simply continue with new budget. And just like that, Gemini begins to break down quantum computing into easy-to-understand concepts. Look at how it explains qubits, superposition, and entanglement, core concepts of quantum computing, in a clear and engaging way, perfect for a 10-year-old. Number 1. 11 Labs. You're a faceless creator with a brilliant script, but recording voiceovers feels awkward, and hiring talent is too expensive. That used to limit your channel's potential. Not anymore. Meet 11 Labs. Getting started is smooth. You're presented with a choice of interface style, light or dark mode. You'll see their pricing plans, but the free tier offers a generous amount of characters to get you started and experiment with their powerful features. We'll select that. The main dashboard is intuitive. On the left, you'll immediately spot text-to-speech, which is where we'll begin our demonstration. Let's type in a welcoming message, "Welcome to the world of AI with Promptopia." This phrase will showcase the clarity and natural intonation of the generated voice. Now, with a simple click on the Generate Speech, 11 Labs gets to work.
Welcome to the world of AI with Promptopia. Welcome to the world of AI with Promptopia.
Listen to that. The voice is incredibly human-like, with perfect pacing and inflection. Let's navigate to sound effects on the left. Here, you can describe any sound you need, and 11 Labs will create it for you. This is a massive time saver for video editors, game developers, or anyone needing custom audio. I'll type in small propeller airplane, a pretty specific request. Let's hit generate and see what it comes up with. Perfect. The truth is, we're no longer waiting for the AI revolution. It's already here. These tools aren't optional anymore, they're essential. For your career. For your creativity. For your future. You can watch others succeed with AI. Or you can join them. So here's the question, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. Let's build the future together, one prompt at a time.